This is the 2024 Thor Compass 24 kb all-wheel drive with twin beds king bed. This all-wheel drive motorhome features a couch slide out, spacious kitchen with lots of storage, a mid-bathroom with 2 privacy doors that open into the hallway, so you have room to get out of the shower and get dressed, and a bedroom with twin beds that convert into a 75 inches long king bed, and again, lots of overhead storage. Inside, the coach has 2 TVs, frameless tinted windows, heated remote mirrors, rear view mirror with backup monitor, a convection microwave and wireless phone charging stations. Outside features a tankless water heater, 100-watt solar panel, 4.0 Onan generator, a huge pass-through rear storage bay, an electric awning and holding tanks with heat pads. The Compass is on the all-wheel drive, Ford Transit van chassis with a 3.5 liters V6 EcoBoost Turbo engine with 310 HP and 400 pound-feet of torque. All of that means you have a very responsive little RV that is really fun to drive.